You've been staring at that problem for 20 minutes, your tutor isn't online, and the exam is tomorrow. What if you had the best of both worlds? Expert human tutors who know you, guide you, and actually care about your progress, and a smart AI companion available anytime that clears the doubts in your tutor's teaching style. Math, science, homework, exam prep. Whatever the challenge, this AI companion is here for you. MentorShield, guided by humans, protected by AI. Getting started is simple. Create your MentorShield account by entering your name, email, and a secure password. Verify your email, then log in to access your personalized student dashboard. From here, you can view your profile, access enrolled courses, track your learning progress, and navigate everything you need in one place. Head to the Programs section and click Continue Learning to resume your course. Next, open Shield AI, your personal learning companion. Simply type your question, whether it's maths, science, homework, or exam preparation, and click Start Chat. Within seconds, Shield AI provides clear, step-by-step explanations that help you understand concepts. Create your account today and experience a better way to learn.